Here's a wild fact about your body that you probably didn't know. Your sneeze is actually faster than the fastest land animal on the planet. I'm not kidding. Think about a cheetah, right? They can sprint at speeds around 70 miles per hour. That's incredibly fast. But a sneeze, it explodes out of you at about 100 miles per hour and sometimes even faster than that. So what's going on here? A sneeze isn't just some random thing your body does. It's a powerful reflex. When little irritants like dust or pollen get in your nose, your body goes into defense mode. Your chest muscles, your diaphragm, and even your throat muscles all work together to build up this massive amount of pressure. Then whoosh, it's all released in a single high-speed blast to clear everything out. And you know how you always close your eyes? That's automatic. Your brain's protecting your eyes from that intense pressure release. So yeah, your sneeze is basically a superpowered defense mechanism that could totally outrun a cheetah. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for watching.